Welcome to Talent Development Academy of End-to-End Solution Architect Forum. I am happy to announce few new training programs and initiatives. E2E Solution Architect Talent Development Academy is conducting IT career guidance sessions for IT professionals who are working or looking for opportunities, as well as for the graduate students from university who are enthusiastic to join IT world and work with cutting-edge technologies. We have specially crafted training agenda for the IT role-based skill development program based on technical aspirations of the participants. They can select any cloud platforms and technology and build their expertise. You can scan the QR code and browse e2esolutionarchitect.com website for more details. I am also excited to talk about the bootcamp sessions. These bootcamps are hybrid or online workshops to design, build, and deliver a solution in various technological areas such as infrastructure, networking, security, DevOps, etc. Instructor-led guidance sessions will answer your queries, which will help you to build an industry-standard solutions. You can scan the QR code or browse the e2esolutionarchitect.com website for more details. There will be more bootcamps added in near future on advanced technologies like data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence. These educational initiatives will be primarily organized and conducted by me, Som, and my E2E Solution Architect team. As part of the career guidance, we have launched a career counseling program. It is free of cost and one-on-one discussion with E2E Solution Architect career counselor and the candidate. Please visit the career counseling menu from e2esolutionarchitect.com website and submit the online form. Our technology programs are based on current technology trends. As per the current research, these are the areas where demand of skill will rise. So far, our trainings are focused to cloud technologies. These are the overall structure of the professional training paths in specialized area such as cloud engineer, DevOps engineer, data engineer, agile professional, business analyst, and project management professionals, etc. Please check the e2esolutionarchitect.com website for more details of these particular learning paths. Next to role-based trainings, E2E Solution Architect is conducting certification-focused training and guidance. In these trainings, the agenda will be as per the blueprint of the specific certification and guidance for the certification preparation. Job role focused trainings are different from certification trainings because job role focused are more on hands-on implementation and solution design for real business cases. Let me take you through few of the resources. First, our end-to-end solution architect website, e2esolutionarchitect.com. You can browse various training programs over here. Access to the public repositories for technical solution code and documentation in our GitHub. A YouTube channel with plenty of educational video for modern IT technologies. If you have any queries regarding E2E Solution Architect Academy training programs, please feel free to drop a note to our email ID, visit our website and other resources for more details. Thank you for your time. See you in the training session.